Welcome back to KP's Kingdom, cooking with KP, and today I'm going to show you how to make this amazing Oriental chicken stock that you can use for all sorts of dishes. In particular, I'm going to be making a soup with this one, but you can make whatever you like. Alright, nice big stock pot, and I'm going to add in 8 small chicken drumsticks. You can put more if you like, less if they're bigger, doesn't matter, that's just going straight in. I'm going to add in a few star anise, right, 2 or 3, a cinnamon quill, and I'm also going to add in some citrus, dried citrus peel, to 1 onion and a few cloves of garlic. Look, we've thrown those in nicely and rough. We're going to leave skins on everything, and I'm going to add in around about 5 litres of water for this particular stock. Right, you can add a little bit more if you want, and let it reduce down a little bit later. Alright, pretty simple so far. I'm going to put the lid on, and I'm just going to turn that on and simmer that for around about sort of anywhere between 2 to 4 hours. I'm going to leave that up to you. But once your chicken is finally cooked, we don't want to keep obliterating that chicken. We're going to take that chicken out, right, just like that, and as you can see, the fat has come out of those drumsticks, and we're going to put those aside. I'm going to use that for another dish later on. I didn't record that dish, I just made up a nice little stir fry with some noodles. Alright, so we've kept that going again for around about an hour, just to make sure all the flavour bits, the amarats have come out, and I'm going to strain that through a couple of layers of kitchen paper and kitchen cloth, just like that, and that is going to remove all of our impurities and solids and give us just a tiny bit of the fat, which is exactly what we want. Really nice and simple. You can I haven't seasoned that with any salt yet. I will do that when I'm ready to make my final dish. That will work perfect with some noodle to make a great little soup, or some wontons or whatever. Alright, so there you go, a really quick little video for you, my Oriental style chicken stock. Love to see you try and make this one at home. It works great, and it will freeze absolutely perfectly. Alright, thank you so much for watching this video. I really do appreciate it. If you like this video, hit that like button. It gives me confidence, should make you feel warm and fuzzy too. Don't forget to hit that notifications bell. You'll be notified every time a new video goes up, and share this video with all your friends on all platforms of social media. We are trying to get the name of KP's Kingdom out there. Leave a comment. Love reading, love responding to them. In the meantime, if you want to learn how to make some little basic things that will go ahead and make a magnificent dish later on, we need to come and join the family. My family, hit that subscribe button and you'll never miss another one of my videos again. I'll have to use this Oriental chicken stock and make a great wonton soup, and I will catch you next time. Bye.